the beauty of the view. But I don't appreciate the stair down. I don't like it. I really don't like this stair, you know. Going down is very tiring. My arthritis. Guys, don't like it really. Masakit sa tuhod. Ganito lang guys, ganito lang namin tinatapos yung araw ng aming day off. This is how we spend our day off. After a long week, ito na. Namumuntok po kami. Diyan, ang ganda ng view. Perfect. May mga duguan dito. Yes. Nakabili ito. Okay na. Ito pala yung nakikita natin pag so, ito guys, pag papunta kayo ng Macau, at pag papunta ng Macau, sa left side, ito po yung makikita mo, Tai O. Bundok ng Tai O. Kasi, yan guys, yung tulay na yan is a bridge going to Macau. So, ang ganda na guys. Superb. Iniisip ko noon kung paano pumunta dito. So, ito lang pala yun guys. Kailangan mong pumunta ng Tai O to get here. Kasi iniisip ko pag nadadaanan natin ito, iniisip ko kung how to get here. So, Tai O lang po pala guys. Yan, tayo lang guys. Ang
So, ibig sabihin, ito ay nasa Lantaw,
yes.
Lantaw area pa rin.
Lantaw is part, Tai O is still part of the Lantaw.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Yan guys. Going back to
We rise like tall
bus stop.
buildings
Inikot po namin.
as
So,
the
hindi po kami
chemicals they
nag-train.
take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Dun sa alaga ko, pag hindi nga lang, never mind natin, just a random thing sa akin. Pag ano yun lang. Oh my gosh, the stair. Oh wow. Tamang stair lang po. Buti na lang dito kami bumaba, hindi kami dito kami. Otherwise, my toes, my knees. Oo. Ito lang guys, yung kahirapan ng nag-hiking. Masakit sa tuhod. Alam mo yan, nabuhay yung tuhod ko. Yung sakit ng tuhod ko. Hagdanan, cake na talaga yung hagdanan. Was you wish? Oh, there you are guys. Ang hirap, buti lang hindi tayo dito nag-start. Ang hirap, puro daanan. Oh. Na? Oh. Diyan kami bumaba sa hagdanan. Ang dumi ng kwitan mo Carla. Oh, yes. Ang dumi. Kinalmot niya ako. Dumaan lang ako. Kinalmot niya ako. talaba. Ang talaba. Oyster. I want oyster. I don't want talaba. Talaba saka ano, yung agurong. Susu. It's susu. Susu nila. Yan. Dito na lang ang ating yeah, I love it.
Dati wala pa yan eh.
Yeah. So, hanggang dito na lang guys ang ating paglalakbay. Bye-bye. This is Wengay Adventure. Nagsasabing maganda ko, promise. Charit.